Hi, I'm James Robertson. I'm the HR Resourcing Manager at Kronospan. My job every year is to recruit the number of apprentices that we take on. We have a large focus on engineering apprentices every year. Apprentices for us are a key part of our succession planning for the company. They provide us with a resource that we're able to mould and support through their educational needs and grow them through the business. Alongside the apprenticeship programme is obviously the educational side, so working alongside Coleg Cambria is always a pleasure. I have a very strong relationship with the guys at Bersham Road and D-side now. They support us massively with all of our apprentices throughout the period that they're in education. Nothing ever seems to be too difficult. If I need an answer, I know who to go to, and you know, they always get back to me within a timely manner. I work very closely with the employer engagement team. They support me through our recruitment needs in the business. They support me with course requirements, training requirements, things like that as well. The employer engagement team also make us aware of any standout students that are looking for apprenticeships. They put myself in contact with them or them in contact with me. And we also have touch points where we're available to go to open days and things like that, where we can meet and greet the students, show off the business, show off exactly what it is that we do and what we can offer them for their future.